National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Rapides Parish in central Louisiana, northern Vernon Parish in west central Louisiana. This includes Lakeville, Leesville, and Etoto. Until 4:15 p.m. At 3:37 p.m. National Weather Service meteorologists detect a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado 7 miles west of Leesville, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Kirkwood, Hutton, Clifton, and Flatwoods, National Weather Service radar indicates a tornado may form at any time. Take cover now. Abandon mobile homes and vehicles. Move to an interior room or hallway on the lowest floor away from windows.